The poles, the timbers, and everything we need. Hi, and welcome to Home and Life with Irene. Join me today as I'm going out to purchase construction materials for my dream project. Guys, guess what? I am going out to purchase all the materials I need to construct my poultry house. I have been dreaming about working from home, and you guys, if you have been watching my videos, you have seen that I have prayed and hoping and thinking that I should work from home, and God had my prayer, guys. And it is today that I'm going out to buy all the construction materials, guys. Join me as I go. Until Mama Teresa, thank you so much, my dear. Thank you so much, Mama. Thank you so much. Again, it's you. I don't take that for granted. May God bless you with so much, Mama. For sure, you have always come through for me. Always, always, always. And I don't take that for granted, Mama. I appreciate all your efforts. So, guys, join me as I go to purchase the materials for my dream project. And also, please, guys, help me to thank Mama Teresa. Help me, guys. Just. So come, let me organize myself, then we head there. I'm going to be showing you the whole process, guys. If you are new here, welcome. Please subscribe so that you get to watch our videos, so that you get notified always. Let me organize myself, then we head there. Here I am. I first went through different sellers to see the prices, whether they tally with the budget I have, until I got this one and I bought from them. Now, guys, we are here buying our timbers, the poles, the chicken wire mesh, the iron sheets, everything we need to put up the chicken structure. Our journey started today with buying the poles. As you can see, we are putting the poles on the car. I feel so blessed because I have dreamt this business for almost 5 years. I am so blessed. Thank you so much, Mama Teresa. And I can't wait to show you the whole process from the beginning up to the end. And finally, when I bring to the chicks to the chicken house, oh, I am going to be sharing you the whole journey, guys. And as always, I'm with Shadrach the fighter, guys. Just stick here. I will be showing you each and everything. And if you haven't subscribed, please do. I believe God has finally answered my prayer, because I have been praying for almost 6 years. By the time I went to Saudi Arabia in 2021, I went there to buy land and then start farming, especially poultry. And when I reached Saudi Arabia, I just bought land and came back. I didn't start poultry, but my heart was yearning for it for all those years. God has his own way of answering our prayers, and God knows the perfect time when to give us something, or even not to give it to us. So I believe God came through for me to answer this prayer of mine, which has been at my heart, and I'm so thankful that I'm going to be doing it from my own home. So guys, I sourced all the materials I needed, everything, and I got each and everything, almost everything, not everything, but almost. And I came back home and I got these guys to help me out to put the things from the truck to my house. I'm going to be keeping this cement inside my house, and also the iron sheets and the nails. So now, guys, I am back home, but I'm keeping the cement and the iron sheets inside in our dining area. That is where I'm going to be keeping them. for safety. The poles will be outside. At least they are heavy. No one can take them, yeah? So, yeah. So many good things have been happening to me since last year, from giving birth to my son, to building my permanent home, to buying land, to moving in. And this year, I'm building a chicken house. Guys, if that is not God, I don't know who he is. I don't know. If it's not God, I don't know who he is. So I am so glad and I am so happy that now I am seeing my dreams coming true. I am seeing that my dreams, the things I have been yearning for, coming to reality. I haven't even worked so hard for them, but just they have come like that. I don't take that for granted, guys, and I call upon everyone who is not praying. Please do prayers work. At least I have seen prayers working for me, and I believe they will work for you too. I will have to work from home now, and that has been my prayer. If you remember, when I had just started building this home, I said that I am building my permanent home, residential / commercial home. That is what I told you, that I was hoping to work from home. What I was hoping to do was to be doing the old clothes, second-hand clothes, and then go on TikTok and start making lives that I'm selling clothes so that people come through. But online I was preparing to be delivering to the people, or maybe they come home, they take the clothes. But God had other plans. God said, no, my girl, you have always wanted Poultry. You had always wanted Poultry. Wait. And here's God working for me, guys. And you remember, guys, when I made my own chicken coop, and I still have it. Yeah, I call that manifestation, or a prayer of faith. I always do that prayer of faith. I call it prayer of faith with something. Yeah, I pray while doing something, reminding God that I trust you. I trust in your timing. I trust in your perfect plan. So I did the other small kitchen coop as I was waiting for something bigger. And here I am. I am so glad that I'm going to be working from home while taking care for my children, because I truly want to be near my children. I always want to be near my children, guys. They are my friends, they are my family, and I love them so much, and I think they love me too. I always want to be near them. I just want to take care to them by myself. So asking God to bless me to work from home, and God truly came through to answer my prayers. That is going to be a game changer. The same way he did for me last year by building for me this permanent home is the same way he is doing it. I like being near my children, and that means I'll have to work from home. And I am glad that God came through from the same kind-hearted person, Mama Teresa. Thank you so much, my dear. Thank you so much. I don't take your kindness and generous heart for granted. I only lack enough words to thank you enough. I only lack expressions. I only lack emotions to show you that I'm truly thankful. But I do appreciate, Mama. Thank you so much. It's like you have removed a very, very big stone from my head and put it down. That feeling of relief, that is how you have made me, and now I am so light. I don't know if that makes sense, but that's how I feel. That's how I truly feel. After buying all the materials, my engineer was already set, was only waiting for my phone call to come and start the work. So I bought each and everything he needed for the start and called him. And guys, I am here telling you that construction of our poultry house has already started, as I'm going to be showing you at the end of this video. Just stick around and watch this poultry house come to reality. Watch this dream come to reality, guys. And this chicken house is going to be able to carry 400 chickens. That is its capacity. It is going to be a storage building. I started building one floor and the second one, the first floor and the second floor. That is how it is going to be, and I'm hoping to start small, and then as I gain some experience, then I will go big. And also my other local chicken, I'm still rearing them, guys, as I showed you in my last video. My hen is about to hatch this week, and also another one. Just wait for the videos. I am going to be giving you videos. I am hoping to be bringing out 3 videos per week after realizing that I can't be consistent for posting each and every day or after one day. I'll be giving out 3 videos each week. Just subscribe if you haven't and stick around. 3 good videos each week. That's what I'm going to be updating you. So wait for another video very soon for the same poultry project, because that is what is on my mind, guys. Construction has already started. I am bringing you another video and showing you this progress. We are constructing in the same place where I was about to construct my kitchen, my office room, and a store. So now it is a full office building, because rearing chicken is an office itself. I got a tomato before the chickens take it. So guys, bye bye for now. Thank you so much for watching my video from the beginning to the end. I can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye bye.